Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Note Down. This is my channel name and in this video we are going to talk about new job opportunities organized by the Capgemini. Yes, Capgemini is organizing the pool campus for the engineering and the MCA graduate people for the batch 2021. We'll look into a detailed series like from where to apply, who can apply, what are the batches are eligible, and the candidates, location, what is the timing, everything. We'll look into a detailed option. But before that, I need your support by subscribing the channel. This is my channel name. Note down. As you can see here that I have already uploaded the videos regarding the IBM, Cognizant, Hexaware, HCL, Wipro, and many more. Not only for a particular background, it is open to all, either BSc, BCA, MEM Tech, Masters, BB Tech Engineering, and the Commerce background also. So just subscribe the channel and stay connected. Let's talk about the guys. So the company name is Capgemini. Yes, Capgemini is hiring for the engineering and the MCA graduates batch 2021. And let's see, it's a full-time course. Job function, that is your profile. It will be a web developer or the software developers. CTC will be differ from 3 to 3.8 per annum, lakh per annum. Let's see what are the eligibility criteria to apply is for this role. Should be graduating in 2021 and these should have 16 above in either diploma and the graduation aggregate of 7 semester. You will not include your 8th semester if you are graduating from 2021. Aggregate of 5 semester for the ME, MTech. No percentage criteria for the SSC and HSC. So if you have like 50% or the less than 50% in your SSC or HSC, this will be okay. Qualification will be what MCA and the BE BTech, which is open for all branches for both BE and the BTech. BE and BTech is open for any branches. Okay, so either you are mathematics or the engineering, IT background or electric background, anything is open to all. MEM Tech student must only from the in IT and the computer science. Must possesses the excellent communication in English language. And let's see, this candidate should not have more than 1 year of gap between the stages. Entire selection process will be a virtual mode. Yes. Let's see the last date for the job. Yes, the application deadline, guys. It's 1st of September 2021, almost 12 दोपहर के 12 बजे के आसपास. So apply it now, guys. बहुत कम टाइम बचा है और वो सिर्फ 2 दिन ही बचे हैं. 1 day almost. So apply it now. Let's see from where we can apply. Yes, here you can see the apply now button. Let's click. I'm just entering one fake email ID. Let's see it is accepted or not. You have already registered for this drive. I don't know it is showing like this. So once you click apply now button, it will redirect to this page where you need to feed your basic details, your name, your contact details, your current most recent education, previous most education, internship, if you did any internship in your career, last career. Upload the profile photo and document which includes mark sheet and the resume, and all done. So once you submit this superset registration form, you will get a reply from the Capgemini, and if everything is good for you, then you will get a link for the you will get a test link for the first level of round. Okay, so guys, apply it now as soon as possible. Share it with your friends, and don't worry about this page link. I have shared this page link in the description of video. From there you can apply for this role, and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. All the best.